Hi, my name is Irish Lumin from Group 3. We're going to present to you our final project in franchising. As I've already discussed in our last presentation, our chosen company is Zagu. My members are Del Moro Adrian, Malyari Marijoy, Manyalok Haneli, Sadsad Caroline, and Sadsad Roseanne. This presentation consists of 5 chapters. For Chapter 1, Business History, Background, and Objectives. Chapter 2, Product and Services. Chapter 3, Competition. Chapter 4, Marketing Plan. And for Chapter 5, Business Resources.
Company SWOT analysis. Our strength is high-quality production shake, known as #1 pearl shake in the Philippines affordable products. May mataas na uri o kalidad ng produkto ang shake, kaya ito ay naging kilala bilang isang numero 1 sa Pilipinas. At ang kanilang produkto ay abot kaya na rin. Our weaknesses is large number of existing competitors. Marami na itong mga kakumpetensya dahil marami na ang mga nagbebenta ng pearl shake dito sa Pilipinas. Opportunity. Easily adapt to changing market preference, best for country tropical climate. Madali itong makasabay sa mga magugustuhan sa pamilihan. Pinakamainam itong ibenta sa mga bansa na pabago-bago ang klima. Threats. High competition within the area. New trends in the markets. Lastly, our threats is maraming kakumpetensya sa mga lugar dahil maaari itong magkaroon ng mga bagong uso o produkto sa merkado o pamilihan.
Chapter 2, Product and or Services. Letter A, list and describe the products and services offered. So for Zagu, here are the list of products that they offered. For Pinoy dessert, meron tayong Buko Pandan, Ube, Sagot Kulaman, Queso Royal, Halo-Halo, and Philippine Mango. For Zagu Delight, we have strawberry, taro, watermelon, melon, pearl milk tea, cafe latte, hazelnut cappuccino, black forest, cookies and cream, chocolate, 4 seasons, and fruit salad.
So for letter B, describe any plan, chance or addiction to the present line of product service within the next year. So for improve product quality, improve a product by implementing trends to the product such as a new ingredients. So dito po, nag-i-improve po sila ng panibagong product sa pag-implement ng bagong ingredients. Then, offering new flavor. So, offering a new flavor that in demand in the market trend. So, dito po, nag-offer po sila ng bagong flavor para maging demand sa market. Then, third is competition. So, for letter A, list the company primary competitor in your market. So, in Zagu direct competitors, we have Black Pearl and Blitz Bubble Shake. So, for letter B, identify the strength and weaknesses of your competitors. So, the first competitor is Black Pearl. Strength, giving a chance to customers. Then, customers can either choose flavor powder, shake, and fresh fruit smooth to go with the Zagu. So, ito pong mga customer ay pwede po silang pumili ng kanilang powder shake at pwede po nila lagyan ng prutas para isama sa kanilang Zagu. So, we have low cost of capital. So, starting in a low cost capital will avoid entrepreneurs from loan. So, ang nag-start po sila sa maliit na puhunan para maiwasan po nila ang mag-utang. Then, weaknesses. So, no strong relationship with influencers. And finding the right influencers for your campaign can be difficult, and they may be bombarded with collaboration requests, making it difficult for your brand to stand out. And for the second competitor is Blitz Bubble Shake. For the strength is strong service level. So, outstanding service of customer is make an impression that will endure. So, dito po, ang outstanding po nila sa kanilang service sa kanilang customer ay gumagawa po sila ng expression na makakapagpahalaga sa kanilang customer. At ginagawa nilang special ang kanilang pagpapalawak sa kanilang customer para po mas lalo po itong dumami. And for the second is adorable customer expectation. So, having adorable customer expectations can be inspire them to make a future purchase from your brand. So, dito po, nagkakaroon po ng matatag na communication sa ating mga customer para maaari po silang bigyan ng inspiration para sa iyong future purchase ng iyong brand. For the weaknesses, limited staff skill and expertise. So, the rate of production of low when employees don't enough to perform their jobs confidently, the rate na po ng production ay bumababa kapag ang empleyado ay walang sapat na kaalaman sa kanilang trabaho. And for the second is not meeting chance customer needs. So companies must learn to survive and adapt in a competitive world with rapidly changing business conditions. So, ang company ay dapat matuto kung paano mag-adapt ng competitive sa negosyo, mapamaliit o malaki ang isang negosyo. Dapat alam niyang i-handle at alam niya kung ano ang mga kailangan para sa kanyang negosyo.
Marketing plan. Companies' existing marketing techniques, strategies, and tools. Marketing is a tool for engaging with customer, and it is nearly difficult to engage with them without it. Furthermore, marketing does not imply that you force offers on your client. Rather, it entails giving them with relevant information about your product, services, and companies. You must inform your customer about aspects of your product or services that they may find intriguing. One of the best platforms for engaging with your client is through social media. You can make short videos and share them on social media. Sagu's marketing tools are the following. First, social media marketing is a type of digital marketing that has grown in popularity in recent years, and it is also one of the most cost-effective ways to increase your company's revenue. Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram are examples of free social media sites that businesses use to promote their product and services. Companies pay a normal fee to have their product or services highlighted, lowering their advertising costs. Second, content marketing strategy. Also, a content marketing strategy and an inbound marketing strategy are likely to overlap. The latter is more focused, and you focus on content production with content marketing methods to lure people in build interest. This will most centrally include blog posts and white paper, as well as social media promotion. An effective content marketing plan is required for any component of your marketing campaign that require content. B. Describe the marketing strategies and tools that can be used in future to promote business. Editorial. First, editorial strategy. Taking an editorial approach to marketing is very important for advertising agency, since it highlights the content formats, workflows, and channels you'll be using to achieve your marketing objective. It's comparable to the market techniques you find in a news or media business, and it can be crucial for brand, publisher, or advertiser to keep their marketing efforts and ideas on track. And last, strategy for inbound marketing. The goal of an inbound marketing is to attract customer and increase traffic to your website or products, instead of employing disruptive marketing strategies such as television commercial. Inbound marketing focuses on generating leads from people who have expressed an interest in your product, services, or brand as a whole.
Business resources. A. List the major operating equipments that you will purchase or lease. Heavy blender, electric cup seller, measuring cup, straw, plastic bag, storage box, ice crusher, roll frame seller, cups.
Following the report the quality control procedures. Number 1. Present the product requirements. This document, which contains all of the product specification, is one of the most important instruments for ensuring food quality control. People can comprehend what a product should do to things. The PRD should cover all of the financial products like chemical, physical, and microbiological characteristics. Food dimension like form, weight, and volume are used to create physical criteria. The number of package and any other unique characteristic of the food product should be also included. Number 2, specify the ingredients list. Another important step in ensuring product quality, safety, and compatibility is to create an accurate and true list of ingredient specification. Make sure to include this following information for this document. Number 1, name of the actual ingredient. 2, brief description of the ingredient. 3, composition of the materials. 4, country of the origin. 5, shelf life. And lastly is the storage condition. Number 3, include the product's formulation. Understanding raw materials behave and interact with one another in order to generate an active component is provided by the product formulation. Changes in raw materials, the local environment can have a significant impact on the product quality if this information is not understood. Number 4, provide an approved supplier list. It's preferable to have an approved supplier list when it comes to purchasing and quality control. This will allow your organization to control which things or set of items can be procured or prohibited for being procured from the vendors. Number 5, keep track of in-process records. So this is important for you to stay informed about what's going on with your product during the manufacturing process as a business owner. Number 6, guarantee good manufacturing procedures. GMPs. GMPs are the essential environment practices and operational conditions that allow a food company to safely create products. As a result, then these rules reduce a risk from food contamination by employees working in manufacturing, packaging, processes, or warehouse operation. Number 7, ensure packaging and labeling requirements are met. Packaging and labeling criteria should be met. They are first elements that can affect the customer decision to buy a product. For distribution of a food good, there are 2 types of packaging, primary and secondary. Then on number 8, prepare a recall plan. This is frequently referred to as a product recall, and it involves retrieving a previously distributing food from the distribution system. B. Describe the availability skills. Labor to meet your company needs. These are the employees of Zago. Siyempre, may office personnel tayo, may service crew, and lastly is cashier. So, yung office personnel is kailangan natin ng graduate of any business related or computer course, siyempre, with excellent written and oral communication skills, computer proficiency with keen attention to details. Service crew, ito yung mga job qualification namin. Male or female, 5 and above, preferable with work-related experience, high school graduate or college level, with good communication skill, and with pleasing personality. Kailangan namin yan. So, yung cashier naman, yung job qualification namin is the preferable college level, food-related dapat, mas advantage yun. So, willing to undergo training, can communicate both Tagalog and English, with experience in fast food or restaurant is preferred.
Now, let's start to the chapter 1. Letter A, describe the company. Zago is the number 1 product shake here in the Philippines, and it was well recognized in the mass since 1999. Zago has grown nationwide with thousands of franchises. So if you are a new entrepreneur or you want to start a new franchise business, Zago is good for you because its success has been proven in many times. If an entrepreneur want to franchise Zago, here are the following that they will offer to you. For short-term and long-term objectives, we decided that the short-term will be 2 years and the long-term will be 5 years. Letter B, company's major success and achievements. So Zago won Philippine Business Excellence Award 2006, number 1 Ice Blended Drink Award in Metro Manila, 19th Annual National Consumer Excellence Award in 2004, 16th Annual Parangal ng Bayan 2001, Most Outstanding Business Venture, People's Choice. As an entrepreneur and a risk taker, we are already aware that once we start a business, we're going to face challenges and obstacles, and Zago is not an exception. In changes in structure, management, and ownership, as you can see, Zago has grown from tiny kiosks to a current network of over 446 outlets located throughout the Philippines.